Welcome to the Learn and Earn program, and I'm so happy that you're here. My name is Haris, and I am the head of operations. So, just to take note, this Learn and Earn program is only applies to our pro student who is doing online part time. So, in this video, I'm going to share with you on what is this Learn and Earn program, how does it work, or how to claim the monies, and also the terms and conditions. So essentially, the problem is with with students or yourself who are learning during the online part-time lessons. It can be not as motivating. Is because that number one, you only have one lesson per week, and number two is that you're not in an environment where you are with each with your friends or with other students as well. So one thing that I realized also is that maybe to give you a little push, what is that something, right? Like, so we talk in our team on how we can help you learn more consistently, help you learn much more, I don't know if your word motivatingly, but essentially we came up with this thing called the Learn and Earn program. So essentially what this Learn and Earn program is giving away free money to you while you learn. I don't know who does this, but if you never heard of it, then congratulations, you joined the right school to learn as well. So specifically, you can earn 5 ringgit for completing one lesson. So for example, if one module has 12 lessons, or actually our module one has 12 lessons, you can earn up to 60 ringgit just by completing one module. And to make it even sweeter for you, if you complete one module successfully, then we will make it 100 ringgit instead of 60 ringgit. So if you were to complete 3 modules, you will earn 100 ringgit for each, which is in total 300 ringgit. Dude, I think that's worth it. So let me share with you on how a completed lesson looks like. So a completed lesson is only 3 simple steps. Very simple. Number one, just complete all your compulsory coding exercises. Number two, complete the compulsory project in the lesson. And number three, just fill up the form, the feedback and attendance form. Pretty simple, right? So I'm going to share with you on how a completed lesson will look like in each module. So in the fundamentals module, for example, in the first lesson, which is the variables and string lesson, then what you need to do is to complete all the compulsory coding exercises and complete the compulsory project of the day, which is the menu project. And then you need to fill up the feedback form and attendance form. Second, if you are in the front end, that's where you will just complete the resume project. If you were to go through the intro to React with the resume project, you also fill up the feedback attendance form. If you're in the back end, so you will just go through maybe the first lesson, intro to APIs, and you complete the API project and fill up the form. You can see that it's actually pretty straightforward. You just complete the projects or coding exercises, that's the compulsory one, and then after that, fill out the feedback form. So that is what a completed lesson will look like. So I'm going to share with you on how a completed module will look like. So completed module will essentially look like this. You complete all the compulsory coding exercises, submit and pass all required coding projects, and also submit all feedback and attendance form for module one, and also pass the module one assessment as well. And just by completing one module with just these 4 simple steps, you can earn 100 ringgit. Sounds so good. So now, hopefully, you are feeling excited. How do you claim this? So it's pretty simple. So first, you will just send all the links of the completed lessons and projects in the month. Then after that, we will get back to you because we are also looking to whether you have completed the lessons and the projects correctly. And if you are approved by our team, then you can create the claims and you wait for the money a few days to be transferred to your bank account. So let me explain on each step. So number one is to send all the links. So you can send all the links of the completed coding exercises and projects to our support@sigmaschool.co email by end of every month. So this project format will look something like this, where you have the lesson name and the coding exercise name with the link. So for example, if you have the lesson name as variable string lesson, then the name of the variables coding exercise will be let's go through variables and console log. And then after that, you see the link over here. So this is tied to your account. So once you have sent all of the links that you have completed within the month, then the next thing is to just wait, right? Because it is a lot, right? So we will take some time for us to actually look through all of the links, and if everything is okay, Then the next step, so it will take around maybe 5 working days, so excluding holidays and weekends. So we really appreciate your patience as well. Then if it's approved, then we can create the claims. Then you can create the claims in terms of how you can actually get your monies into your bank account, right? So we will actually update you on the status of whether your list of links of coding projects links, coding exercises links are actually good. So if they are not good, then we will let you know which one is not good, and then you can just make the adjustments, and then you can just send us the ones that was not approved or not good. So when you were to create your claims, if you are approved, then please do by 28th of each month so that we can process on time. Otherwise, if you miss this deadline, either you have to submit for next month or you will have to wait for next month to get your monies in. But once you submit your claims, then we will be transferring the monies to your account by the first week of the new month. And hopefully, this will help you motivate to get more lessons or to complete more lessons and modules as well. All right, so hopefully that sums up the whole thing, and I'll just briefly go through the terms and conditions. So essentially, this is only open to online part-time students enrolled in our Sigma School's complete software development program. So to be eligible, you must complete all the required lessons, compulsory coding exercises, and coding projects. So as per usual, to complete a lesson, you need to complete all the compulsory coding exercises or projects in the lesson, and then submit all required coding exercise projects in the lesson as well, and fill up the feedback and attendance form. So this is the requirement for you to have a lesson to be marked completed. So we might, ask you for more things to verify. Similar to the modules completion, you need to complete all compulsory coding exercises, submit all and pass all required coding projects, fill up the feedback attendance form, and pass the module assessments. Right, so there are a couple of module assessments in each module as well. So same thing, this is something that we need you to do in order for us to make sure that your module is in a way considered verified. So this qualification is where if you are violation of Sigma School's code of conduct, engaging in dishonest practice or providing false information, which will be disqualified from receiving the incentive. And also, if there's any disputes with this Learn and Earn program, then you have to resolve it with the Sigma School administrative team. But the decision by Sigma School with any disputes will be final. And then basically, we have the rights to modify, terminate the Learn and Earn program at any time without any prior notice. So incentives are non-transferable and cannot be exchanged for other benefits. That's about it. Hopefully, this will make you motivated in the learn while you are learning throughout the program. And I'll see you when I see you. Bye bye.